Charging.
New environment detected. Start new clean.
As you see, charging dock is lighting right now, and now we are pushing the button on it and there is no response, and we are applying 2 button again and there is no Wi-Fi reset and there is no response from the machine. When it sits the dock station, now the charging dock light is off. Normally it should be charging, but again there is no light on the machine itself. It is not working. We have let it around 8 hours on the charge, but still in the same condition, no change.